welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be making very beautiful wall hanging that you will have to try at home because they are such that beautiful and good looking. And if you haven't seen my previous video yet, the link is in the description box down below and don't forget to see that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Another DIY video, then comment down below #another DIY, and if you want to see another painting challenge video, then comment #anotherpaintingchallenge. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel